This is stitching for Invivo5. Basically, I'm going to open up my lower scan, come to the stitching tab. I can take a look at my 3D volume here, maybe adjust the brightness a little bit. I'm going to import the second file, which is the upper scan in this case. So I go to Import New File, find that scan. Now this can be either an Invivo file or a DICOM set. In this case, this is going to be the upper. Hit Open. Once this comes in, it's going to be overlapped, so I need to do a digital registration process. So go ahead and hit the digital registration button on the top here. And now I can look at these two scans side by side and pick corresponding points between the two scans to overlap. Now again, I'm just going to adjust my brightness on the superimposed here. Now we're going to place points by selecting the space bar wherever my cursor is. So in this particular case, I'm going to choose a point here, and then a point on the corresponding line. Here. Here. Now we need to choose at least 4 points per volume. You can choose more. I'm going to choose actually a couple more here just in case. And I choose another one right here. Now when you're finished, just right click on the mouse and that will overlay based on those points. And this is the proposed stitch. Take a look at that. Now we can look at this in 3D as well as in 2D. Maybe you want to turn up my opacity on my second. I can actually look through my 2D sections here to actually see how that is overlapping. It looks pretty good. So now I'm going to adjust my final stitched image size. And I want to move this box up to include all my new. Review that. And then when you're ready, just hit Saved Stitched Image File. When we open up that new file, this will be what your full stitched image is. And that is stitching.